Good morning, everybody. That's my dog in the background. And today we're going to talk about distributive property and combining like terms. Okay, so if we start with terminology, parts of an expression separated by addition or subtraction. So example 1 has 4 terms, 3x, negative 7y, 2x, and negative 1. The coefficient is the number in front of or multiplied by the variable. So the coefficient in this term is 3. The constants don't have a variable, so in this it would be 5. Like terms. Like terms have to have the exact same variable and the exact same exponent. So we can circle like 3x and 2x, and then I'm going to put a circle. And make sure you take the sign in front of it, okay? That would just help you reduce, simplify easier. Okay, state the like terms. So 3x and 2x. All right, for 5, this term and this term have the exact same variable, so they are like terms. For 6, this is actually y to the first, and that's y to the second, so they are not like terms. And in 7, this term has an a, and this one has an ab. So again, we're going to circle not like terms, because they don't have the exact same variable and exponent. Variable, B-L-E, sorry. Okay, and so in order to be like terms, you want to look at the variable and the exponent. So those would 6x and 4x would be like terms. I'm identifying these are like terms. And again, I would circle or whatever the sign in front of it, because then you know it's 5y plus a negative 2y, which is 3y. And then the last one is z, in 8z. So this is technically a 1. So we had 1 plus 8, which give you 9. Move to the next page. Sorry about that. No, I don't know how to get rid of it. Okay. We'll stick up here. So combine the set of like terms. So 5x and 3x, 5 plus 3 is 8. And then you have 7y plus negative 3y will give you 4y. Then this is negative 10. Again, like circle the sign in front of it. It will just make things easier. Negative 3a. And so then you have 2z and 1z. That's 3z. Here, I want to identify the like terms. So 4x, positive 3x. Then it'll be a negative 5x and 2x. So our final answer will be 7x minus 3y. For example 13, each one of them has an x squared. So we're just going to add the coefficients, which would give you 7x squared. The next section adds one more step onto it. You want to distribute first and then combine like terms. So I'm going to highlight this actually. This is a 3, so we're going to distribute first. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 3x, plus 5y. Then you're going to combine like terms. So it's 6 plus 8x. Or if you write it 8x plus 6, either one is fine. Same process here for number 15. We're going to distribute first. So 4 plus 24 plus 16x. Then we're going to combine like terms. Positive 4 and positive 24. So it's going to be 16x plus 24. Or you could write it 24 plus 16x. Again, either one means the same thing and is perfectly fine. 16, we're going to have to distribute twice. So you're taking the number that's right outside. So it's negative 12 plus 4y plus 6y minus 12. Then you're going to circle the like terms. Negative 12 and negative 12. And positive 4y and positive 6y. So that's 10y minus 24. Was our final answer. Also can be written as negative 24 plus 10y. Okay, and 17, same process. You're going to distribute 2x plus 16. And then you're going to distribute over here, positive 4x, so minus 12, which are multiplying. Then you're going to identify the like terms, positive 2x, positive 4x, 6x, positive 16 plus a negative 12 is plus 4. Or again, you could have 4 plus 6x. Either one is fine. Okay. Please make sure that you finish note 7. Then go on to notes 1. Then you're going to check the answer key, 7.1, to make sure that you have the right answers for 7.1. Collect all your things together, all your notes from the beginning of the year in order. The substitute has anything you have done and passed in. I have corrected it. And then you want to make sure that you complete the review sheet and check the answer key, and then email me with any questions. Okay, have a good day.